Let me make this clear, guys. How are you? For as long as you don't have any of my indicators, you will never make money on Deriv. Mark my words, you will never make money on boom and crash. You will just keep donating money. That's what I'm telling you. And I don't deal with people who do not listen. Most of the testimonials that you see on WhatsApp, on Telegram and everywhere about my indicators, those are the people who listen. Those are the people who listen. So I do not deal with people who do not listen at all. As you've seen, most of you, I'm changing a lot of lives. So if you want to be part of our movement, you can WhatsApp +2776 955 0624. This video is just for demonstration. I just want to show you how this indicator works, more especially for those who are new on my platform. Okay, this is how this system works. As you can hear, there's a sound alert. The sound alert notifies you that there's a spike anytime from now, and then as you can see here, there's an arrow. Whenever you hear a sound alert and then you see the arrow, you buy on boom, and then on crash you sell. Okay, as you can see, the spike occurred. And then in this video, I'm going to trade. I'm going to show you how to trade using my indicator. You don't have to do a lot of things. You just wait there and watch. The indicator will do everything for you. You just have to press buy or sell. That's what you do, nothing else. You don't have to worry, you don't have to analyze. As you can see here, we have a signal. You can hear the sound alert, and then you can see the arrow as well. So it means for now, anytime from now, the spike is going to occur. So when you hear a sound alert or when you see an arrow, you have to buy or sell immediately. Okay, you have to do that immediately. Right now I didn't do it immediately because I'm busy explaining. So I'm buying right now. I'm buying right now. I am 100% certain that the spike is going to occur. 100% certain that the spike is going to occur. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Most of you, you know me, guys. Some they call me King of Spikes, Master of Spikes, all of those names. I'm the king. So let's wait and see. Worldwide, I'm the only person who developed this powerful indicator. I'm the only person. Even Deriv, they know me. Even Deriv, they know me. So you can WhatsApp me, guys. Good luck.